Come along with us today as we hike and explore history here at Newlin Grist Mill in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania. We're at Newlin Grist Mill Park here in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania. So this is a historic grist mill here. There's lots of different trails to explore. We're going to show you around. So when you visit Newlin Grist Mill, the park is broken up by Cheney Road that kind of runs through the middle. So on the one side is where you're going to find more of the historic buildings. So we just passed the grist mill. This is the Newlin store here. And then off in the distance there, you can see that barn. And then to the left-hand side, we've got the former train tracks that ran along here. You can kind of see they're becoming overgrown as nature's taking them back over. So there's a bake oven. Up on the hill, there are some ruins of like the ice house and a corn crib. So there's a lot of really neat older style buildings here. So this building that we're just passing is the miller's house. And then up ahead, we're going to see one of the stone grist mill wheels. So now we're going to pass the grist mill again, and we're going to cross Cheney Road to go over to the other side and explore the trails over there. Newlin Grist Mill was built in 1704 by the Newlin family, and it operated up until 1941. And then in 1958, the property was purchased and restored so it could be used as a park. And there's over 8 miles of hiking trails here. So I think this here is what they call the mill raceway, where they would direct water down the creek to the mill. See this little run here? All right, so they've got some trail work going on, and they have a film crew. Alrighty. This is just a cute little cabin here on the property. I hear a little bit of road noise from Baltimore Pike, which is just above us, but this is a really beautiful spot near the creek. So you can only fish here if you're a member. March 2nd, we're having just gorgeous weather here in Pennsylvania, really nice mild day. So my son and I thought we'd get out and explore a local trail near us. You can see the former railroad tracks here. They've been moved, obviously, but there's still some debris down there. Ever hike with your kids and they just roast you the whole time? That's what mine do. I just tripped and my son just had the best laugh over it. Luckily, I didn't fall. He gets a good chuckle out of my antics here out on the trail. Had a lot of rain recently, so you can really hear the stream here is really moving. The water level is pretty high. So like I said, they're doing some work on the pond here. So they have this mill race blocked off with these sandbags while they complete the pond construction. So this kind of shows you how they would power the mill. So this water system connects the mill to the landscape. It captures the water, delivers it to the mill where the water wheel converts it to mechanical energy, and then it returns to the creek. And there are like dams, gates, and canals that help regulate the race mill here. So that was just the Concord Creek Dam that we were looking at. Then there's this diversion channel which takes it to the pond where the pond's being worked on. Then this is the control gate, which is right here. That can be lowered or raised. Then there's a spillway gate, trash rack, which keeps sticks and debris from damaging the water wheel. And then this is what the water wheel looks like. And we've got the tail race, which gives the water back to the stream when they're done with it. Want to wrap up the video. Thank you so much for coming along with us today. I hope you enjoyed seeing what Newlin Grist Mill here in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania is like. This is a really great place to hike and bird watch and just enjoy some short family-friendly trails. And then it's also great if you're interested in history and you want to tour the grist mill. So to walk around the grounds here, it's free. If you want to do a grist mill tour, that has a little bit of an additional fee, and you can find out about that on the website. Thanks for watching.